Should we take a short adjournment for you to compose yourself, perhaps?
Please, Commissioner.
Uvukwe umunyu Lieutenant Colonel Kilebogile Tshepa echazela ikhomishana kaMadlanga ngesigameko sokuhlaselwa kwakhe abalisa abangaziwa athi bafuna umakhala ekhukhwini wakhe.
3 men came up to the vehicle that I was in. They came there. The one that came around to the driver's seat cocked a firearm and pointed it to me. I had the windows down. And he then demanded that I switch off the vehicle.
Uthi okwamphatha kabi kakhulu ukuthi laba ababemhlasele bafuna izinto ezimayelana nolwazi oluphathelene nomsebenzi nokwenza kwamcacela ukuthi lokhu kwakuyizinkomba zokumsabisa ngomsebenzi wakhe.
The accosters did not take any money from me and did not attempt to remove funds from my account. Finally, the continued comments made about looking for information on my phone and circumstances where I did most of my work was on my phone.
Please continue.
It was clear to me that this was meant to serve as a stern warning and that the assault was done to deliver that warning.
Ulandise ikhomishana mayelana nokuthi kwaba nomthelelo onjani empilweni yakhe ukufakwa kwamalamba alihlaza ezimotweni zikasomabhizinisi osematheni uVusumuzi Khethi Mahlala. UColonel Tshepa uthi ikhomishana isiveze obala izinto eziningi ezingahambi kahle emaphoyiseni omkhandlu waseGruleni.
This has been a platform for the world to know and understand the criminality that goes into an institution of that nature and what people must be subjected to and how the animal farm then would dictate that all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others.
Isicau siyaqhubeka nofakazi omusha ofakaza endaweni engadaluliwe ngegama elingudi.